Hello, David here, and the project for today is to determine whether a pellet rifle can set off a binary charge. I've never tried these binary charges before. He gave it to me and he said to try it, and I'm pretty sure my shooting range won't allow me to shoot at it with any of my firearms. I'm going to see if a pellet will set it off. So I normally shoot these Crossman lead pellets. Doesn't say how many, 7.6 grains. And this is a .177 caliber. These are moving around, I don't know, 800 feet per second or so. And I thought I should get some more velocity. I have these Gamo Platinum. Hope you could focus on that. Can't tell if it's in focus or not. It's too sunny out. Anyway, these are supersonic. These go over 1,000 feet per second, but the problem is the zero is way off with this, so that's why I need the target behind the binary charge so that I could walk the shots in towards the target. So that's a theory anyway. So the answer is yes, it works. Check out that smoking target there. Is that cool or what?